How to clean bent bottom of pot or pan. What is the best way to clean bent off bottom of pan or pot? What is the best way to clean bottom of pot or pan? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to clean bottom of your pot or pan and make it new again. And let's start right now. You can see the bent bottom of our pot, and we are going to make this very clean and new again. And you can see this one as well. And so we are going to make sure these are all clean, all under 10 minutes. And it's going to be magical. So let's start. So you are going to need a glove. You will need a soap pad to use, sponge. We're going to use Comet, and then also going to use this also. And I just add some in this to make it easy to spray. We're going to see how easy this will work. So let's start right now. The first thing we are going to do is spray the bottom of the pan with the awesome. So I'm just going to do that. And then after that, we are just going to open our Comet, and we are just going to spray and just leave it to soak in. You can add more as you want, but we are just going to let this soak in and for 5 minutes before we start washing. All right, now, so we just leave this to soak for 5 minutes, and then we'll start scrubbing it. What we are going to do now is, now that this has soaked in for 5 minutes, we are just going to start scrubbing, and all you have to do is wet your soap pad and start scrubbing. If you have an old soap pad, you can use that as well. If you don't have, you can use the new one. I always use the old one that I have. So you use the new one, just start scrubbing. And sometimes, because it's easier to put it on something that will give you a base for cleaning, so you can put it on the side of your sink, on the counter, and put a towel underneath so you don't make too much mess. So if there is a liquid dripping, it will just drip on the towel. So I'm going to use the old soap pad that I have. You can see right away how this is coming off. And look at how this is coming off right away. And this should take you less than 10 minutes to have all these, both of these clean up. And look at that. See how clean this is? Look at how clean that is coming out right away. And just clean the sides as well. We can see, look at that. Look at how clean this looks. All right, so we're almost done, and just little angle here, just go around it. Get into the corners, and that should take everything out. And just clean the handles, the sides. And you can give a quick clean inside. Alright, and then let's just rinse this one, and then we can clean the second one as well. So we're going to scrub the second one. And look at how quickly this is coming right out. Look at that. Right away. Clean the sides. And this just works like magic. The Awesome and the Comet cleaner Look at that, it's clean. No hassle, no too much scrubbing. Alright, and that is done, just like that. Turn the sides, just the handle. Give it a quick look inside. And we are done. We're just gonna wash both of these, and your bent bottom pot is all clean, neat and shining. So we are now just going to wash. You can see how clean this looks. Look at this. Much cleaner. It looks so brand new. The bottom of your pot looks so brand new again. That is lovely. That's it. Also, look at this one. It's all clean. It looks so brand new. And it just takes us under 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes to have all this clean. Now I'm going to use sponge. And I'm going to use dish soap. I'm going to give it a good clean. Clean the other one as well. Make sure you clean it very neat with the dish soapy water. Alright, and now look at our bottom of our pot. It looks so clean, so new. And look at that. That's so beautiful. Also, make sure you wipe down your sink, because there's going to be quite a few mess. Alright, and that is done. Make sure you wash off your soap pad so you can use it another time. Make sure you get your counter clean because you made a little mess. And your sink all clean. And that's it, all done. And wash down your gloves for your next use. Make sure everything you use is all clean. All right. Hello friends, I just show you the easiest and simplest way to clean the bent bottom of your pot. Clean and make it new, and let's take a look. Look at the first one. Look at how clean and neat this looks. And then look at the second one as well. It's all clean and neat. And this is how easy and simple it is to use Awesome with Comet cleaner. I love these two products. I use them all the time because it makes cleaning so easy and fast and simple. And you don't feel lazy to clean anything, because once you spray it on, just give it a few seconds and it's ready for you to clean and get everything clean up. So I hope this video helps you. If you are looking for how to clean bent bottom of your pans, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more helpful videos like this. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com, and I'll see you on there. Take care. Bye.